So this police officer was recently caught on tape venting his frustration at some people as he was carrying out his duty.
Control aggression alone can blood clot run Jamaica. When you're too nicey, you know what? Sorry ma'am, hello, that them the thing they don't blood clot. So when the government talk about say you come out here and be nice to people. Nice to what? Now no nice. Wanna know.
So as you can hear, the man is clearly upset. So apparently he was called on location and he did the whole nice formality thing by asking a couple people to come out of the way, guard them yard, move and clear out the street so that he can effectively do his job. But nobody listened and as a result, he exploded. Does the force need more force to effectively carry out their duty in the fight against crime and indiscipline here in Jamaica? Do you think that the police officer was right when he said this?
Control aggression alone can blood clot run Jamaica. When you're too nicey, you know what?
Yo, the man is clearly fed up and frustrated, and honestly I cannot blame him because some of we Jamaicans are some of the hardest people to deal with. Coupled by the fact that we blame them for everything, it almost feels like some of these cops are put in a corner. So what do you think, tubers? Is the police officer right? Do we need more aggression and control in the force to effectively fight against crime? Please leave your comments down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. I am Kemar. This is The Rawtid Show. Like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so as yet. And stay tuned, there's more to come. Until next time, peace.